So how do you solve problems like these? The problem of matrix. Let's look at the first one, which is this one. Okay, so the first one, the question states that it is 0, 2, and 1, 3. Okay, let's place it here, 0, 2, 1, 3. Now this is a 2 by 2 matrix. So what this basically means is that there are 2 rows and 2 columns for this matrix. This number right here is the row number, and this number right here is the column number. Now, how do you solve it? The first thing you're going to do is you're going to multiply these two, and if you multiply them, the product will be 0, and then after that, you're going to multiply these two, and the answer will be 2. And so your solution here for this problem will be minus 2. And notice this minus sign right here. So you subtract the second multiplication, the product of the second multiplication, that is 2, from the product of the first multiplication. Let's take a look at another example to better understand the entire thing. So the next example is 3, 4, 2, 1, which is also a 2x2 matrix, which is 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows and 2 columns. It is 3, 4, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 4, 2, 1. And this is also a 2 by 2 matrix, because we're also going to look into 3 by 3 matrix as well. So I'm just making sure that you guys know that this is for 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is multiply these two, and then the product of the multiplication will be 3, and then multiply these two, and the product of the multiplication will be 8, and then you subtract 8 from 3, you're going to get minus 5, and that's the solution for this matrix. I mean, that's how you solve these problems, but that's for 2 by 2 matrix. Now I'll give you an exercise and you guys solve. So the exercise is, and write the answers down in the comment section, and I'll check. Solve this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the first matrix, and the second one will be, let's say, 6, 5. Sorry about the bad writing, so I'm using my mouse. 6, 5, 4, 2. That's 2 right there. Wait a minute. That's 4 and that's 2. Okay, yeah. So these are 2 by 2 matrix. Solve these for me and give me the answer. Pause the video and solve these and give the answer. And write the answers down in the comment section. Wait, no, don't write the answers down in the comment section, because I'll be doing the answers over here. I don't even know what. Okay, so I'll go into the solution now. The solution for the first matrix will be, once again, you multiply these two first, and it's going to be 4, and then you multiply these two, and it's going to be minus 6, and the answer is minus 2. And for this one, you multiply these two first, which is going to be 12. 6 multiplying 2 is 12, and then you multiply these two, which is going to be 20, so it's 12 minus 20, which is minus 8. And so there you go. That's how you do these maths of matrix.